Interstellar, the horror of time. You think time is stable, solid, reliable. You wake up, go to work, call your family, waste a few hours scrolling through your phone, and somewhere deep in your mind, you assume tomorrow will still belong to you. But Interstellar asks a terrifying question. What if time itself could betray you? What if one wrong step into the universe could steal decades from your life? Not metaphorically, literally. Because near the black hole Gargantua, 1 hour equals 7 years on Earth. Just think about that for a second. You land on a planet at sunrise, you leave before lunch, and when you get back home, your child is middle-aged, your parents are dead, your entire world has moved on without you. And the worst part? The universe doesn't care. No negotiation, no mercy, just physics. The planet is called Miller's Planet, a world covered by shallow water, orbiting impossibly close to Gargantua, a supermassive black hole with the mass of around 100 million suns. Everything about it feels wrong. The silence, the endless horizon, the giant waves moving like living mountains. Even before disaster strikes, your instincts scream at you. Get out, now. Because this isn't just a dangerous planet, it's a trap built by gravity itself. And the horrifying thing is, the science behind it is real. Not movie magic, not fantasy, real equations, real physics, real consequences. To understand why time slows down near Gargantua, you have to abandon the way humans naturally think about reality. Because space and time are not separate things. They're woven together into one fabric, called spacetime. Einstein realized this over a century ago, and once you truly understand it, the universe becomes far stranger than horror fiction. Imagine a trampoline stretched tightly. Now place a bowling ball in the center. The fabric bends downward. Smaller objects rolling nearby start spiraling inward, not because an invisible force pulls them, but because the surface itself has warped. That's gravity. Not a force pulling objects through space, but space itself bending. Now replace that bowling ball with Gargantua, a black hole so massive, it distorts reality itself. Not just space, time too. Because in Einstein's universe, gravity controls the flow of time. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. And near a black hole, gravity becomes monstrous. Absolute. Time begins to crawl. This is called gravitational time dilation, and it means two people can experience time completely differently depending on where they are. One person near Earth, another near Gargantua. For one, minutes pass. For the other, years vanish. Not symbolically, physically. Actually, the clocks themselves disagree. Reality splits, and the deeper you fall into gravity, the more disconnected you become from everyone you've ever loved. That's the true horror of Interstellar. Not the waves, not the black hole. Isolation. Imagine looking at your watch and seeing 1 hour pass, while civilization outside ages by decades. Every second near Gargantua costs you pieces of your life somewhere else. Every heartbeat becomes expensive. If humanity ever reaches the stars, we may first need to accept how cruel time truly is. Because in the universe, it's not only people that disappear. Sometimes, entire years vanish in silence. If you want more dark science and cinematic space documentaries like this, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next journey.